Good Monday, everyone. Looking at our weather map for today, we see strong to severe thunderstorms threatening the central and southern plains, stretching from Texas right on up into South Dakota. All modes of severe weather are possible, and they will certainly have a very weather-aware day. Some of those tornadoes could be quite powerful. Looking to the east, we see another area of strong to severe thunderstorms across portions of eastern Virginia and right along the North Carolina coast. So those folks will be weather aware today. Not nearly the level of threat that they're seeing out on the plains, but still a threat nonetheless. And you see some snowflakes flying even across portions of Utah and Colorado again as some colder air comes in behind that system that's producing today's severe weather. Looking at our 5-day forecast brought to you by Clearview Closet and Blind. Look them up at closetandblind.com, especially as you're thinking about spring cleaning and maybe sprucing up those windows so you can have a good view of the spring flowers outside. For our Monday, partly cloudy, highs near 80, southwest wind 5 to 10. Absolutely beautiful day. Get outside if you can. Tomorrow, we're going to do it again. A few more clouds across the sky. Again, highs near 80, south wind 10 to 15, gusts to 20, so a little bit more of a breeze tomorrow. And then Wednesday, we have a front coming in. That storm system that's out on the plains today will be moving in on us on Wednesday. And yes, it could bring us a few strong to severe storms. I'll keep a close eye on that. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. But highs in the mid 70s, south winds 10 to 15, gusts to 30, so it's going to be a windy Wednesday. Now it looks like Thursday's probably going to be dry, partly cloudy, highs in the mid to upper 70s before another system comes in on Friday. And this is a slower moving cold front on Friday, and slower moving fronts tend to not produce much, if any, severe weather. So that's the good news. It does have a colder shot of air behind it, though. So once that front gets through here, we'll be seeing our temperatures drop probably by Sunday. And yeah, since this is a slow moving front, that does kind of jeopardize our weekend forecast. I'll have to keep an eye on that for you and see how that looks as we get closer to time. But just know that we're not through with frost just yet. Our lunchtime forecast brought to you by Upper Cumberland Window Cleaning. Highs at lunchtime, temperatures should be around 74 degrees. Just a light south wind at 10 miles per hour. Go grab a picnic table somewhere and enjoy that lunch today. Get outside if you can. Our Premier Generators threat graphic shows all low-end threats continuing. I've left this the same for the last couple of days. I still see no real reason to increase any of those threats just yet. I will keep a close eye on things. This is looking more like an afternoon, maybe evening threat. But again, we'll see how the system behaves on the plains today, and that'll tell us a lot about what we might expect once it gets here. On this day in 1949, a hailstone 5 inches by 5.5 inches and weighing 4 pounds was measured at Troy, New York. A bit of an unlikely place to expect a hailstone that size, but my goodness, nevertheless, that's what fell from the sky. 1958, a tornado 300 yards in width skipped along a 5-mile path near Frostproof, Florida. Interesting named town. A 2,500-gallon water tank was found 1 mile from its original position, but it's not known how much water was in the tank at the time, and that's crucial, I think. 1987, thunderstorms developing along a cold front produced severe weather in the southern Atlantic coast region. A tornado killed, where they're expecting severe weather close to that area today. One person was killed, 7 others injured. Drifts of hail up to 2 feet were reported in Davidson and Rowan counties in North Carolina. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina was deluged with 7 inches of rain in only 3 hours. That's a flash flood. You folks have a wonderful Monday and keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.